Welcome to Legal Insights, where we delve into the intricacies of the legal world. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of crafting powerful legal arguments. Whether you're a seasoned attorney or just starting your legal journey, this step-by-step guide is designed to help you master this fundamental skill. Stay tuned for a comprehensive framework that will elevate your argumentative prowess in the courtroom, legal writings, and negotiations. Step 1. Understand the legal framework. The first step in constructing a compelling legal argument is to grasp the legal framework. It's essential to immerse yourself in statutes, regulations, case law, and other relevant authorities. Establishing a solid foundation will enable you to identify key legal principles that form the backbone of your argument. Step 2. Identify key issues and facts. Once the legal landscape is clear, it's time to identify the key issues and facts relevant to your case. Dive into the evidence, pinpoint crucial elements, and consider potential counterarguments. A thorough understanding of both sides of the coin will give your argument depth and resilience. Step 3. Develop a clear thesis statement. A powerful legal argument begins with a clear and concise thesis statement. This statement should encapsulate the core of your argument, providing a roadmap for your presentation. Join me in stressing the importance of articulating legal principles and key facts that support your position. Step 4. Organize your argument structure. Organizing your argument is crucial for clarity and persuasiveness. Divide your argument into logical sections, from introduction to conclusion, making it easy for your audience to follow. This structured approach enhances coherence and ensures your argument leaves a lasting impact. Step 5. Support your argument with authority. Bolster the credibility of your argument by supporting it with relevant legal authorities. Delve into statutes, regulations, and precedent cases and analyze them to highlight their alignment with your position. Anticipate counter-authorities and skillfully distinguish why they shouldn't overshadow your supporting authorities. Step 6. Anticipate and address counter-arguments. Strengthen your position by acknowledging and addressing potential counter-arguments. This demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of the case and enhances your persuasive abilities. Tackle opposing viewpoints head-on, providing compelling reasons why they shouldn't undermine your stance. Step 7. Craft persuasive language. Effective legal arguments go beyond sound reasoning. They rely on persuasive language. Choose your words carefully, emphasizing clarity and precision to convincingly convey your points. Utilize rhetorical devices to make key arguments memorable and compelling. Crafting powerful legal arguments is an evolving skill that comes with experience and practice. By following this step-by-step guide, legal professionals can enhance their ability to construct compelling and persuasive arguments, standing out in the dynamic field of law. As the legal landscape continues to evolve, mastering this skill is essential for success. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights. Thanks for joining us on Legal Insights.